everyone, and it is day 3. We are about to go downstairs to have some breakfast, and my mom is actually in she's getting a massage right now, so lucky her, she's doing that. And while she's doing that, we're gonna eat some breakfast downstairs. And just a quick, this is our view right now. It's beautiful blue skies and snow. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we are really excited to go eat some breakfast. So we actually had to get some chains on our car because the officer park ranger said that some people have slipped out on the road, so we had to get some chains, put them on our car because the roads are actually like this. They're literal ice.
I'm watching.
We got to this first viewpoint and looks like this, and this waterfall right there, we are hiking there. So
yeah, it's called the Bridal Veil Fall.
See it?
We're very excited.
How cool.
Here we are at Bridal Falls
In Yosemite Park.
in Yosemite Park, and we're gonna do a walk up to the waterfall, and
we're walking up that?
it's gonna be a great time.
Bridal Veil Fall.
What was that?
Chunk of ice.
We are on a bridge.
Hey. Look how clear the water is.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Welcome back.
Hello.
Where we going, Dad?
Who the hell knows?
We have taken a few wrong turns, gone down a few ice hills. So, in about, how long is this hike?
Maybe a mile.
So in about a mile, we'll be right there, that waterfall. To Yosemite Falls this way. Hey, welcome back to Keeping Up with the Bushes. We only got about 2 hours left of daylight, and the hike's 4 hours. So I might not see you again after this. Just tell my cat I love her. One, two, and three. How's everyone feeling?
Like dino.
Well, we took another wrong turn, but it's fine because I spotted the bridge. So we're headed to the bridge now. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it just got really loud all of a sudden because you can hear the waterfall. We made it to the lower falls. Hey, everyone on Insta Live, say hi to the vlog.
Tori, it's
Find me on YouTube. Find me on YouTube at Sarah B.
Amanda, we're not still going fighting. It's like who's that?
It's my camera. So, currently exiting the park now. And we're going to eat dinner at the lodge. What are we gonna get, Chris?
Nachos.
What he said, nachos, for sure. So I got some like pasta stuff.